Hello, my name is Brian, Gooseneck Implement, and in this lesson we'll be discussing the ExactApply nozzle body, the NZC or nozzle control unit. First, let's take a look at the components that make up the ExactApply nozzle body. Starting from the top, I have the clamp that wraps around the plumbing on the boom and allows entry for the solution into the ExactApply nozzle body. Looking at these pull pins, this is the back of the nozzle body. It'd be me standing behind the boom. Solenoid A, solenoid B, which are indicated on the inside of the nozzle body. The connection for my boom harness. Right here is the ExactApply nozzle body. Down here I have the turret, where I install my nozzle tips, the LED light, and a retaining clip to remove the turret. Next, we will pull these pins and remove solenoid A and solenoid B. Pulling the pin will unlock the solenoid and I can remove it from the ExactApply nozzle body, exposing the cartridge. If I pull the cartridge of the ExactApply nozzle body, I'll see the tube, the O-rings, and then the O-ring on my valve seat. Using the tools provided in the ExactApply nozzle body maintenance kit, I can remove this valve seat. Once removed, I'll expose the spring, the plunger, and the poppet. Putting the spring and the plunger back into the tube and putting back on the valve seat, I need to make sure that this is torqued. And to do the proper torque, I have to use the tool provided in the ExactApply maintenance kit. Then the cartridge can be put back into the ExactApply nozzle body. And install the solenoid. Now let's take a look at the ExactApply nozzle body and the turret. So looking at the body, remember where the electrical connection is, or where the pins pull out, that is the back, and then this is the front. The front is my A position, and the back is my B position. The front A position is fed by the A solenoid, and the back B position is supplied by the B solenoid. When looking at the actual turret, in the A position right now I have a short delivery tower, and in the back you can see I have a tall delivery tower. 1, 2, and 3 are my short delivery towers. 4, 5, and 6 are my tall delivery towers. Now, depending upon which position is in the forward or A position determines what mode this ExactApply nozzle body will perform. 1, 2, and 3 in the forward A position will apply certain modes. And if 4, 5, and 6 is in the forward A position, a certain mode will be performed. Now let's remove the turret from the nozzle body. There is a retaining clip on the bottom. I've already removed it. Once you remove that retaining clip, hold on to the nozzle body and twist the turret and pull up. And we will take a look at the ExactApply nozzle body. Remember the electrical connector and where I pull the pins, this is the back or the B position of the nozzle body. And you can see that it has one port on the top that is open. The bottom one is plugged. Looking at the forward A position, it has 2 ports and they both are open. If I take my turret and I start to put it on, with the short delivery tube in the front, you can see it only has access to that bottom hole. this top port is plugged by the turret body. When looking at the B position or the back, remember the bottom one is plugged and the top one's open. This tall delivery tube has two openings in it, but when it's on the ExactApply nozzle body, the bottom one in the body is plugged and the top one is open, but having a tall tower, it's able to access that top port, and it allows the ExactApply nozzle body, when the A solenoid delivers solution, it'll make it to the front tip, and when the B solenoid delivers solution, it'll make it to the back tip, spraying out of the A position and the B position. If I remove the turret, and if I line up a tall delivery tube in the front position, where both ports are open, and I have both ports in the tall delivery tube, solenoid A and solenoid B will deliver solution to the front tip. The front tip only, spraying out a one tip. Now that we discussed the ExactApply nozzle body, let's talk about some additional resources that can better your knowledge on the ExactApply system. Searching for classes in JDU, utilizing tools like the sprayer simulator, material from Service Advisor, reference and walk-around guides available at HighSpot, and also reference material from Sales Manual. The next step is to team up with a salesman or a customer to gain more in-field experience with the ExactApply system.